Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. So today we will see how this handmade jewelries are done. So we're going to use this tulip corals. Then you're going to use simple chains that are microplated. So next you're going to use this wire gauge. This is very important. This is microplated wire gauge. Then you're going to use the tools. These are very important. Nose plier and the cutter. You're going to use this chain. Cut this chain into 4 equal lengths. Make sure that 4 are in the same length. Measure it and then cut exactly in the middle like this using the cutter. So you're going to measure the same for the next 4 pieces like this, and you're going to place this coral bead between these chains. This is how it looks. First step is to take this wire gauge, use this nose plier, hold the plier, leaving a small inches of this wire, hold it tightly. This tip of the wire should be twisted back, then round back. Make sure you should get a nice loop like this. The next step is to hold the nose plier inside this loop. Hold it nicely. It should be tight enough. Use this flat nose plier. Hold the tip of the wire. Then twist back like this. Nicely twisted. You will get some extra wire. Need to cut with a cutter. Cut. This will look like this. So next you're going to place the coral bead inside the wire like this. Next you're going to place this chain inside the wire. Hold the nose plier. Twist the wire back. Twist it nicely so it should lock perfectly. Then you have this extra here. Cut the extra using the cutter. Cut exactly like this. So this is done. So next, same process. Use the nose plier, the wire, twist the wire backward like this. Then inside this loop, you're going to place this chain like this inside this tip. So next you're going to use the nose plier, hold the loop nicely tight, press it like this. Then use the flat nose plier, hold the tip of the wire like this. Then twist it back. Twist it back nicely. So you should get a nice twist there like this. Then you're going to need to cut the extra using the cutter. Place the tulip bead inside the wire. Place the wire chain inside the wire using the nose plier. Twist the wire backward. Twist it nicely. It should get locked there. After twisting it, after 3-4 rounds, you need to cut the extra wire using the cutter like this. This is how it is there. The first chain, the same process, wire, twist it using a nose plier. You get a loop there nicely using a flat nose plier. Twist the wire. You'll get the round like this. You can adjust the circle using your nose plier. You can cut the extra using the cutter like this. You can adjust the loop. Okay. Again, tulip bead, chain inside using a nose plier. Hold the tip of the wire, then twist it back. Twist nicely, lock it, then cut the extra wire. Yes, the same thing. This will look like this. So next what you're going to do, you're going to link this 2 chain to a coral bead First, you're going to use a coral bead inside a wire gauge using a nose plier. The same process, twist the wire backward. Make sure the loop is bigger so that you can put this 2 chain inside this. Then you can have a link. So this is how the loop is. It's a bigger loop. You can place these 2 chain inside this loop like this. Then hold the loop tightly. You should hold it like this nicely, exactly like this. Then take your flat nose plier, tip of the wire, twist it back, twist it, twist nicely. You should twist it nicely. Then the extras are cut. This will look like this. The extras are cut. Yes, and this is how it has come. So here what I'm doing is that I'm going to use this. So next you're going to use this round edge wires. We require 2 of this. So first you're going to use this wire, place the coral and a chain. Same process, twist the wire back, lock it nicely, then cut. Okay, we require 2 of these chains, one in the longer length and another one in the shorter length. The same process. After this, you're going to place these 2 chain inside this wire, twist it nicely, hold it tight, make sure it is in the same place, twist it, then same process, cut the extra. That's it. Here's a final one. We require this back chain, then a hook. You're gonna link this up using this 2 back chain and a hook. Same process, put the back chain inside this wire gauge, hold the tip of the coral like this, then twist it back. Twist it nicely. And make sure you have enough of good rounds. Cut the extra. Yes, like this. This is how it look. The next one, you're going to place the hook inside the wire, then twist it. That's all. Make sure it is tight enough, then cut the extra here. You're going to place the hook inside this chain. That's it. We completed the chain. Let's see the final look. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.